Well, here's a 2018 Corvette that is already very rare. Yes, this is a 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Carbon 65 Z07 3LT Coupe. This is number 34 of just 650 that were built. Ceramic matrix gray on the exterior, jet black interior. It has that visible carbon fiber top as well. Now, pricing on this car and far more details and photos than we can give you in this video are available if you click the link right down below. This video will take you to all of that additional information and pricing as well. Under the hood of this car, you'll find 460 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $9,745 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. This includes the Napa leather seating, color-keyed instrument panel, leather-wrapped instrument panel, center console, and door panels as well. Performance data recorder with navigation, heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker stereo with steering wheel controls, MyLink. It has auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, memory package. It has a front view camera as well. It has the suede microfiber wrapped upper trim package as well. Includes the Grand Sport package, black brake calipers, electronic limited slip differential with cooler multi-mode exhaust, magnetic selective ride control, dry sump oil system, and those Z06 size wheels, tires, and brakes, the Z06 style rocker panels, wider quarter panels and fenders, specific gear ratios, has a wicker bill rear spoiler, and specific front splitter as well. Now, this car has the $15,000 Carbon 65 package. This includes that beautiful ceramic matrix gray color on the exterior, unique fender stripes and door graphics, black cupped wheels with machine grooves, blue brake calipers, visible carbon fiber ground effects package. It has the carbon fiber hood section, visible carbon fiber top, visible carbon fiber rear spoiler and quarter intake ducts, center caps with carbon logo, and the carbon flash badge package as well. The carbon flash painted side mirrors, jet black suede wrapped leather interior with a blue stitching, and you can see this car is absolutely loaded with options. And as we said, this is a stupid rare 2018 Corvette Grand Sport Carbon 65. It shows just 13,710 miles. It is in an outstanding condition, both inside and out. And again, this is number 34 of just 650 of these 2018 Corvette Grand Sport Carbon 65s built. Again, paint is in very good condition, a stunning shine. Give this car a good look over. Click the link below this video, and it'll take you to all those other detailed pictures and so much more information. And then call one of our sales representatives at 770-414-5552. Subscribe. So again, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Give us a call. We hope to hear from you really soon.